You will be able to design your own passport picture with just your smartphone in just a few minutes after watching this video to the end. So, if today is your first time coming across this channel, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified when a new content of this kind is uploaded through this channel. Without wasting much time, let's get into today's tutorial. Launch any browser of your choice and search for this website and click on it to access the website. Once on this website, click on this 3 horizontal lines and tap here to register for an account. This can be done by either using your personal working email address, your Google account, or your Facebook account for the registration. After your account registration, click on the same 3 horizontal lines and tap on this option, then select ID Photo Maker. Scroll down until you get to this Try It option and click on it. Now, click here to upload your own photo from your phone's gallery and wait for the processing to finish. After the processing, you can change the background color of your photo by clicking on this icon. You can also change your outfit by clicking on this icon. And use these options either choosing between men's, women's, or children's outfit depending on the photo you uploaded. You can choose your photo specification by using this option. And again, change the paper size by using this option. When done with everything, click on this Done button. And click on this Download HD button to save it to your gallery. As you can see, the photo has finished downloading. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn the bell notification on to get notified when a helpful content of this kind is uploaded through this channel. Thanks for watching.